Martin in northwestern Tennessee. We did our project on developing a Tennessee climate atlas. We took different variables such as precipitation, temperature, and humidity, and did sort of easy statistics on it so far, and came up with different graphs and ideas and maps about what the weather is across the state of Tennessee, because we are trying to develop the climate atlas. Right now they're divided up into 3 grand divisions, and we want to see if maybe there's more based on the weather. And this is all we have so far. That's how we're developing it. We're still working on it. So I did this section on precipitation. It just shows that, you know, right now this one in particular shows that on the downwind side of Nashville there's an anomaly, and the southern half of Tennessee seems to get more precipitation. So I guess I'll hand it over to Rebecca for temperature.
I'm Rebecca Smith, and I did temperature, and basically the temperature trends cool down a bit until you reach Cumberland Plateau, and then on the other side of that you have a little bit of warming, and then it gets cooler again as you go into the Appalachian Mountains, and that's basically the temperature profile. Next. Chelsea?
Hi, I'm Chelsea, and my part was on humidity. First we tried to calculate dew point, but it was really hard because we found temperature data and we found like relative humidity data, and we were trying to calculate it, but we had like max and min temperatures and humidity for different hours of the day, so we didn't know like how to match those temperatures up without hourly data to calculate dew point. So all we did was the relative humidity, and we used like temperatures at 6 p.m. because at that point you have a kind of a better idea as opposed to like 6 a.m. in the morning when, you know, at 6 p.m. you can kind of like have a better idea of the moisture levels in the air. So in East Tennessee, we found that the lower temperatures were in East Tennessee and they were higher in like west and middle. Knoxville, for example, is kind of like in a valley, so it's kind of surrounded by mountains, and that moisture, like especially in the summer, it builds up. So that's pretty much all we finished.
Alright, I'm Alan, and my part is on pressure, using 5 first order stations: Memphis, Nashville, Knoxville, Bristol, and Chattanooga. First priority was getting the pressure, station pressure. When you map that out, you'll notice that eastern Tennessee has really low station pressure. Well, to correct that to elevation, I had to use an equation. I've got that referenced. And what you'll notice is when you get this into sea level pressure, Memphis actually has higher pressure in the winter months. My thinking is that during the winter, you actually have the continental high pressure that moves in, and that is get higher density. So that's why you have higher pressure in Memphis. And hopefully, as I run more statistics and map this out, that I'll find other interesting things about pressure across the state. That's all I have right now on pressure.
Hi, my name is Hannah Paul-Smith, and I did wind and severe weather. What we noticed here was that the wind speeds are the highest in the west and decreases substantially in the east. And we also noticed in Memphis it's really high, and that's not normal because Memphis is in what's called like just in a little valley. We figured that Knoxville or maybe Bristol would be the highest, but it's not. We're trying to figure that out right now. Why? Maybe solar wind power. And so in severe weather, we have the Fujita mile and the density of the tornado tracks and the density of Tennessee, mostly around Davidson County, and Madison County has the most, and also around Chattanooga. That's about it.
So in conclusion, our work is still very preliminary. We have a lot of future work to do. This semester we're actually having an applied climatology course. Last semester was statistical climatology, and we're working to figure out how these different variables are applied to a day-to-day basis in agriculture or energy or, well, lots of things. So that's what we're working on.